tumba ng mga bagyo na mga nakalipas na mga araw nung kasagsagan ng mga bagyo dito sa Pilipinas. Ito yung mga naapektuhan ding mga tanim ng Pilipino dito sa Pilipinas. Nangunguluntoy po siya. Ayun, alanganin pa po kasi para ma-harvest siya. Kaya ito yung nangyari sa kanya. Pero alanganin, mayroon naman siyang laman na pwede na rin siyang kainin, pero ganun nga. Alanganin pa talaga siya. Siguro mga estimate ko dito, mga 1 buwan pa siya dapat bago ma-harvest itong saging na ito. Kaya malaki ang damage sa mga bagyo pagka may mga typhoon coming here in the Philippines. So many damage farming like this one is one of the victims of typhoons. The saging or banana plantations, so many damage, so many broken planting bananas here in the Philippines. So maybe 1 month or 1 month ago to harvest this, but very early because this typhoon is damage this plantation, banana plantation, and so many plant here like the vegetable, rice, damage in whole provinces in Manila, Philippines. Okay. So this one is one of the damages. So many damages planting here in the Philippines. At magandang hapon po sa inyo lahat, mga friends natin dyan, mga Pilipino and whole Philippines and whole world. And keep up the good work and always praying here in the Philippines to beautiful here island in the Philippines, and to stop the so many coming typhoons and earthquakes like them, and volcanoes eruption, and so many volcanoes eruption here like Batangas and Negros Occidental, Mayon volcanoes, and Taal volcanoes in Tagaytay City, and typhoons, continuing typhoons every month. They have coming typhoon here in the Philippines, and traffic and whole Metro Manila's traffic flooded, and so many damages plantation, rice and corn, and like this one, bananas. Yeah. So keep up the praying here in the Philippines. Yeah. And to help so many people here to need so many everything, and food, and it's not most especially is repairing the houses. Yeah. Yeah. Thank you for watching my small videos. Thank you, and God bless the soul.